Hello, my name is Lihle Edwards. I work for Reckitt and I'm working as a process and project engineer. I'm the engineer that was responsible for the commissioning and installation of the wrapping machine, a Khosla wrapper. So we've got 2 or 3 companies or Reckitt companies that are using the Khosla machine, and the report has been great. So we got to experience it ourselves. And the machine has actually passed the installation qualification, the operational qualification, and the performance qualification. So the machine has been running now since May while we were commissioning, and we were running it in parallel with another machine. So now it is our primary machine because the quality is great. The wrapping machine, I'm just going to turn my camera and show you how it looks like, or I'll just share like this. So this is one of the samples that are coming from the machine itself. As you can see, it's neatly packed and it's quite a few of them, so I didn't pick the great ones. It's actually good quality. You can see everything. The wrapping, the stiffener is also good. So which is why now we're running it as our primary machine, because it's outperforming the other machine. I am happy to announce that it has ran very well so far. Thank you.